In this video, you will learn how to translate a message in Telegram. To begin, open up your Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside the app, look for the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on these three lines, and a side menu will appear. From this menu, find and tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you see Language. Tap on that option. Now that you're in Language Settings, look for an option labeled Show Translate button. You'll want to toggle this switch on. Once enabled, this feature will allow you to easily translate text messages within chats. When someone sends you a message in a different language, simply tap once on that message. With just one tap, you'll notice that a Translate button appears right above the text. Tap on it. When translating messages using this feature, Google may have access to the text of messages you translate. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.